I joined on Feb 1st, 1997. But since it was a Saturday and Sunday, I got my appointment letter on February 3rd. And of course, the first day was very exciting, very nervous. And I was a little strong, and I said, yes, of course, I can do it. And that time the crowd was not so much. It was a small office. It was at Sandoz House. I just started with a bang, and that's it. Oh, it has changed drastically. We were just few of us in Sandoz House, and it was Coopers and Lybrand, and then they merged in 1998, and of course a lot has changed. I've interacted with so many people those days, and now my interaction is more with the clients and everyone. Being patient, kind, caring is very, very important, and I've learnt a lot interacting with so many people. So I know exactly like which partner or which stakeholder or which anybody needs, what are their needs, when they enter the office, what is required, what is not required. Interacting, because I'm always interacting with everyone. It's only people around me, so I'll be to myself for some time. I'm always caring, I'm always energetic and smiling, that's very important. Every single person says that whether it's morning, there were some clients who were asking the partners, Gautam and all, that what does she eat? We want to know what does she eat. Till evening she's the same. So please tell us what you eat. So I'm just the same. It is just that I just want everyone to go with a smile from the office. Actually, I have not thought of it. I have just worked and worked. It is just that it's just the flow. It was just a give and take. If I was caring and loving and everything to every person, even everyone was the same to me. So maybe it just went with the flow. Just work hard, do your best, always be positive, be smiling, be happy within, let the world do what they have to do. You have to be happy, you have to say to yourself when you enter the organization, I have entered PwC and I am proud to be a part of PwC.